1997 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 30th Anniversary Convertible. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car. Odometer reads 104,039. 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, of course. 6-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC was just recharged and blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia. Doesn't look like it's in too bad a shape. Little touch-up spot right down there. Couple little small chips kind of in the stripe or along there. But overall, hey, considering miles, age, a lot of bang for the buck if you want to drop top with a V8. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. We are going to start it up. Let you take a peek underneath the hood, listen to it. Riding on the correct white wheels for the Z28. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see that's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Does have a power top. It's a white vinyl top. I'll show you that functioning, and we'll take a look at the condition of that. Of course, white leather seats, buckets up front, center console. It does have a JVC aftermarket stereo installed, and the original one will go with it, so you're aware of that. And that is right over here. So there was a 6 CD changer in the trunk. Then, of course, the AM/FM cassette head unit. We'll put that back in the car, and that'll go along with it. Paint's not perfect. There might be a little bit of a scuff or a little bit of a nick. But again, a lot of bang for the buck and a lot of life left in this vehicle to have some fun with in the summer. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. It had a new fuel pump installed. Brakes in the front, 100%, 50% in the rear. Just a few minor powertrain seats for the notes from the technician on this one. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Camaros, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. So you can see, driver's side, no major nicks, dings, or scratches either. All right, let's move on to the interior. All right, so the 2+2 seating. 30th anniversary insignia in the backrest. Front seat does show wear. There's a spot in the leather worn through, a little spot that's patched up over there on the right-hand side of the driver's seat. That is a power seat, by the way, as well as power locks, power mirrors. Door panel looks good. Tilt column, cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Right off, 104,039 is your actual miles. No service, engine soon, check engine light, anything like that. That was a cold start. I won't expect the temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure looks good. Battery and fuel gauge. Top of the dash looking good. And stereo system. See if I can figure this out where the volume is on it. Right here. Stereo is obviously working well. All right. V8's got a little rumble to it. Nothing too crazy over the top though. Alright, let me see if I can get this hood one-handed. There we go. Hood struts in good shape. Hood liner. And engine bay. So again, 5.7 liter V8 small block Chev. Tried and true. Pretty stock looking engine bay. Running smooth. Let me go ahead and get the tripod set up. Let's run this convertible top up, show you how that functions, and check out the condition of it. I know it shows a little bit of wear, so let's take a look. Sorry about a little bit of that noise in the background. It's from the vacuuming and cleaning next door where they're detailing more cars to get listed. So let's check out this convertible top. And convertible top up. So as you can see, functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. And again, white vinyl. Rolled the side glass up. Nice tight fit there also. All right, so we do have some small wear spots, like I said. A few different areas. I don't think it's going to be anything too crazy if you're caught in the shower or need to stay out of the sun. Looks like it'll still serve its purpose just fine. Glass, rear window, electric, defrost or defog, side glass. Fits good over here in the passenger side and a back around to the front. Nice tight fit. So a couple of small wear spots. Again, don't think it's going to affect the performance of that top much. And how many times are you going to have it up? Be a nice fun summer car, like I said, without breaking the bank. I'll show you the top going back down into the storage compartment. 1997 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 anniversary car. Good looking convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics, over 100 pics of this car online, underside, interior, engine bay. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, stick around just a little bit longer. You're going to see the top go back down, and Jason, take it for a drive.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1997 Chevrolet Camaro in white and orange looking good. White seats, bucket seats of course. 6-speed manual transmission for the most fun. Round shifter, perfect. We have a aftermarket stereo in the dash from JVC. Playing Sheryl Crow's best song. JVC sounding good. Our temperature gauge is about 170 to 180, still warming up. Waiting for a little traffic here. Oil pressure 45 while we're idling. Let's get her out on the road. Very good acceleration. I think these kind of were understated in performance. It's a fun car to drive. Handles good. Tachometer is working. Let's go to 6th. I'm at 57 miles an hour at 1500 RPM, cruising along happily. The battery is charging over 13 volts. The fuel gauge is showing almost 3/4 of a tank. Power top switch down here. This is a convertible and we have the top up today. Very comfortable. This era of car just, I mean, I'm 6'1", but they fit very well. The ergonomics are just right. For me, anyway. Brakes feel good. When you get on the throttle, there is a nice rumble coming out of the tailpipe of this car. Corners well. Corners quite flat. Very good for a performance car. Get her in 3rd. Let's check out the cruise. Cruise control is working as well. Ready to go. 1997 Chevrolet Camaro. Take a look at all the pictures of this car over at uniqueclassiccars.com.